Have you pondered on revitalizing your course, making it more captivating, interactive, and efficient? Consider course redesign. This methodical approach addresses teaching hurdles, corresponds with faculty ambitions, fulfills departmental anticipations, and upholds institutional objectives. In our journey towards course redesign, let's explore the crucial role technology can play in enhancing the effectiveness of our curriculum. A. The following are 5 distinct models of course redesign that integrate technology in varying degrees. First is the supplemental model, where technology is used to augment student engagement within the existing course framework. Secondly, the replacement model shifts the instructional load by incorporating more online components. Next, the Emporium model is a radical approach that replaces traditional lecturing and tutorials with an online resource center, promoting self-directed learning. Additionally, the fully online model is a complete transition to online instruction, eliminating face-to-face interactions. Finally, the buffet model is a flexible approach that caters to diverse learning styles by offering a mix of face-to-face, online, and hybrid instruction. Each model has its strengths and is suitable for different contexts, and evaluating them can help clarify the direction and options for your course redesign. However, technology should not be adopted arbitrarily, but chosen strategically. Factors to consider include your comfort level with technology, institutional resources, course objectives, students' accessibility to necessary tools, and the specific goals of the redesign. Collaborating early with learning technology experts can help align your goals. Level of technological engagement and institutional context, opening up possibilities not immediately apparent. Remember, technology is not just a tool, it's a strategy that, when used correctly, can enhance learning outcomes and support students with minimal disruption. In the world of course redesign, it's not just about the curriculum. It's about crafting an atmosphere that nurtures knowledge, fosters interaction, and boosts active learning. Envision our course as an ecosystem, its balance achieved through the tools we employ, activities we carry out, and strategies we adopt. We ponder, how do these elements influence the learning outcomes we aim for? Each tool, every method needs to be weighed for its capacity to foster specific learner interactions and traits. This reaches further than just technology. It includes larger strategies like peer mentorship programs that build distinct learning contexts. Efficient collaboration often holds the key to successful redesign. For example, the University of Toronto's engineering faculty included real-world clients in their first-year programs involving over 50 individuals in course facilitation. Likewise, the Total Pain online model for interprofessional medical education utilized a multidisciplinary team. Course redesign typically demands diverse expertise for effective execution. Prior to delving into course redesign, it's vital to evaluate the available institutional, administrative, and financial support. Forming a team with relevant proficiency and clear roles, duties, and project plans is of utmost importance. As we venture ahead, let's remember that course redesign is as much about the environment and collaboration as it is about the curriculum itself. Let's take a deep dive into the systematic approach to course redesign. It's not just a theory, but a practical, responsive, and impactful method. The approach is divided into 5 key steps: identify, analyze, plan, implement, and evaluate. Each step carries unique importance and plays a significant role in contributing to the overall effectiveness of the course. Before we delve into the first step of identifying the need for a course redesign, it's important to assess our readiness for it. Course redesign can range from minor adjustments to comprehensive restructuring. A small-scale redesign might be based on post-course evaluations to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. On the other hand, more ambitious redesigns might involve structural overhauls, incorporating new technologies and pedagogical approaches. Preliminary readiness assessment, both on an individual and institutional level, is a crucial precursor to the redesign process. Initiatives like the National Center for Academic Transformation offer readiness criteria for undertaking large-scale redesign projects. Personal readiness involves a range of factors including time availability, departmental support, willingness to collaborate, risk-taking attitude, and technological proficiency. Self-assessment tools like the Teaching Perspectives Inventory can be invaluable in evaluating your teaching profiles and determining your readiness for a course redesign. This step will set the groundwork for the following stages, ensuring your course redesign is not just a theory, but a practical, responsive, and impactful change. As we transition from assessing readiness to identifying the need for a course redesign, we cannot overlook the importance of program and curriculum alignment. Alignment is the cornerstone of effective course redesign. It ensures that all course components work together seamlessly to achieve the desired learning outcomes. Consider this: are your courses operating in isolation? Do they hinder content sequencing and competency development? These issues are often magnified in large courses with multiple sections, leading to what we call course drift. This underscores the necessity of alignment within the curriculum. Ideally, departments should craft curriculum maps and define shared program and course goals. This ensures seamless integration and scaffolded learning. Alignment extends to individual courses too, where learning outcomes, teaching activities, and assessments harmonize. Think of it as a well-orchestrated symphony, where each course module contributes cohesively to student learning across the curriculum and beyond. Whether your aim is accreditation compliance or enhanced student engagement, understanding and implementing program and curriculum alignment is pivotal. This understanding will guide you in the next step, where you identify specific needs for your course redesign. Step 1. Identify. Start by identifying the need for a course redesign. Is it to accommodate larger class sizes, to engage a diverse student body, or maybe to incorporate the latest technology? Whatever the reason, a clear understanding forms the foundation of the redesign process. Step 2. Analyze. Next, conduct a thorough analysis of the existing course. What's working well? What needs improvement? Look into student feedback, course objectives, and the alignment between assessments and learning outcomes. This analysis will provide valuable insights for the redesign. Step 3. Plan. With the analysis in hand, now it's time to plan the redesign. Consider instructional strategies, course materials, and technology integration. Remember to align the redesign with the identified needs, course objectives, and institutional goals. Step 4. Implement. After planning, it's time to put the redesign into action. Implement changes based on the plan, but be prepared for adjustments along the way. Change is a process, not a one-time event. Final step, evaluate. After implementation, don't forget to evaluate the redesigned course. Gather feedback, assess learning outcomes, and analyze student performance. Use these insights for continuous improvement. In summary, course redesign is a strategic process that starts with identifying the need, followed by analyzing the existing course. The next step is to plan the redesign, considering various aspects like instructional strategies and technology integration. Then, implement the redesign, making adjustments as necessary. Finally, evaluate the redesigned course for continuous improvement. Remember, course redesign is not just about change for the sake of change. It's about creating a better learning experience, one that is engaging, effective, and aligns with the overall goals of the institution. So, take a step back, consider the need for a course redesign, and embark on this journey. It's a strategic move that can lead to significant improvements in teaching and learning.